In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and send DocuSign templates in 2024. This guide will take you through each step of the process so you can easily create and distribute your electronic agreements. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to DocuSign's website. This is where the magic begins. DocuSign is recognized as a leader in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, making it the perfect tool for your digital documentation needs. Once you are on the website, the next move is to click on the Login button. This is usually located on the top right corner of the home page. If you don't already have a DocuSign account, you'll need to create one, but today, let's assume you're all set up. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the DocuSign homepage. From here, look toward the navigation menu and click on Templates. This section is where you can manage your existing templates and create new ones. Templates in DocuSign are incredibly useful because they allow you to save frequently used documents for repeat use, which is a real-time saver if you're managing multiple agreements at once. Next, click on Use. This action allows you to select a template that you already have saved, or to create a new template if needed. If you're selecting an existing template, you can go through the list and find the one that fits your current task. If you're starting from scratch, DocuSign gives you intuitive options to design your template, adding fields for signatures, dates, and other necessary content. After choosing or creating your template, you'll need to add details. This includes specifying who will be signing the document and in what order if it involves multiple parties. Be sure to double check the email addresses since this is how your signers will receive their part of the document to review and sign. You can also personalize the email message that accompanies the template, making it a bit more familiar to the recipient. Once you're satisfied with the details, proceed by clicking on Next. This button usually appears at the bottom or top right of your screen depending on the layout. It signifies that you're moving forward from preparation to sending the document. Lastly, click on Send. By doing this, the template will be sent out to the specified recipients. DocuSign will handle the distribution, ensuring that each party gets their invitation to sign. And that's it. You've just learned how to build and send a DocuSign template efficiently. This process helps streamline your workflow, making it easier to manage agreements digitally. Thanks for following along, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below.